So today what we're doing is we're comparing linear and exponential functions. So we're going to consider the following scenario. You're offered two options for a job. So like it's a contractor job or whatever it is. So it's $1,000 a day for 31 days. Or you get a penny on the first day, but it doubles every day for 30 days. Which option sounds better right now? So some of you may say A, some of you may say B. Let's find out. So option A is kind of lovely. So let's see, for 30 days, let's do one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this would be 14, 21, 28, this would be 29, 30. There's our 30 days. Okay, so then our first day we would get $1,000. Our second day we would have a total of $2,000. Well, actually, let's just put 1,000 each one and we'll keep it all full. So $1,000. Third day we get $1,000, then $1,000. And as you can see, this gets very repetitive. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to fill this in real quick. Alright, so now that it's all filled in, let's see how much money they got in total over the month. So they have 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 for 31 days. So their total would be $31,000 for the job. That's not bad at all. It's actually some pretty nice money. So option A, looking pretty nice right now. So let's see on option B. Now on option B, we make a penny for the first day. Oh, let's go ahead and label our days. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then this would be 14, 21, 28, 29, 30, 31. Yes. So, and then we'll have our total at the end. It'll be beautiful. So for our first day, we have a penny. Our second day, we have 2 pennies because it doubles. Our third day, we have 4 pennies. So far, we've earned 7 pennies. We're not doing so great. 8 pennies. 16 pennies. 32 pennies. 64 pennies. I think we finally earned $1. Maybe. We're getting close. Alright, so week 1, not looking so hot. It's fine. Okay, so we have our 64 pennies and we double them. So we have 0.64 times 2. It's $1.28. Then we double that, so we say that times 2. We get $2.56. Then we take that times 2. We get $5.12. We take that times 2. $10.24. Times 2. We're still not looking so hot for week 2. $20.48. $40.96. It's starting to look better. Still nowhere near that 1,000 a day, right? $81.92. Okay, and I'm going to fill out the rest of this table. It's all we're doing is doubling each day. Alright, so we finished it. It took me a minute. So, if you take a look at this, at some point during the third week, we start earning more than we were getting per day. But we have to make up for all the days before that we didn't earn it. Well, I'd say by the end of the week, we made $10,000. That's almost made up for it. By the time we hit Monday of the following week, we earned more in one day than you earned in all the days for the one before. Okay? And by the end, you end earning $10,737,418.24. Just on the last day. That's not all of this added together. So if you actually go back and add all this together, you end up with something like 14 million or something like that. It's a ridiculous number. Option A was linear. You earn the same amount every single day. Option B is considered exponential because we're multiplying by the same factor every single day. It's just 2. Our factor was 2. So now that we've calculated out, which option sounds better? And why is that? These are questions you must ask yourself, my dear Padawan. Okay, so for the following, we're going to plot these points and determine if they're linear or exponential. So let's go ahead and plot it. So first off, I have to make myself some axes. So there's my axes. -3, +2 is here. We've got -2, 4. And -4, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. -2, 4. -1, 8, that'd be somewhere up here. We've got -5, 8, that's somewhere up here. I'm going to go ahead and say this is neither, because it's got like this weird V shape going on. Yes, neither is an option. Alright, let's take a look at this next one. So again, it has negatives. There's no negative y value, so I'm just going to set this as 0. Okay, so at -3, 1, -2, 2, -1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 14 would be like clear the crap up here. This one's looking pretty exponential. That's quite lovely. Alright, so I was able to tell something was neither or exponential. I want you guys to go through and you decide these two. Once you finish with that, we'll come back together here.